Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an unpackaging of this scrapbook set. I got it off Amazon. It's still available. It's 348 pieces. So let's check it out. It kind of tells you on the back like what's in it. It is all in Chinese. You see you got 1, 10, 10, 60, 22, 210, 62, 31, 1. So, you know Chinese, that will be helpful to you. I do not. Okay. I actually got this back in October for my birthday, and it's now May, and I'm finally just getting around to open it. Yeah. Okay, so we got this cute little scrapbook. It's grid. The pages are so smooth. I almost kind of want to use it for a sketchbook, but I don't like the grids. Pretty good too. Let's see if we can use a marker in it because the page is so smooth. Ooh, that definitely goes through. Wow. Okay, so maybe not. Maybe, I don't know. I never usually draw on the back pages. But it's really pretty. I think it's like the perfect size for like a travel sketchbook. It does say A6, so I'll have to like maybe find one without grids. So we got some memo pads and note paper. Like a video with the moon faces. They're all the same. Checklist. Look for something positive each day. Have a nice day. They're all the same. I got one, and my mom got one too. She got mine's like the night one. I think hers is like the sunset one, so it's more like orangey. Wonderful day. The future is magic. They're all the same. They're really pretty too. Comes with 2 washi tapes. Find the lights in our mind. The rolls are so thin. I forgot how much, like, Mom always wants to spend like a certain amount for like our birthdays. But I'm like, you're giving me 348 items. It comes with 348 items. She's like, yeah, nah. I feel like I'm walking on clouds, find the light in our minds. I was happy with everything I got. That's all that matters. I pulled that too much. It's pretty. And then this one is just plain purple. And we got these little pictures. These are not stickers, so they're just little pictures. You are what you love. I love food. Does that mean I'm food? I guess I am food. Keep the smile. Happy you? That's cute. I think that's a you. My puppy. Daily reminder. Keep smiling. Remember why you started. Spread love and positivity. Have a good time. I need you to punch these out. I don't know what that says. That's cute. I guess you could put like a picture in there, maybe. Hello. That's cute. It goes like this. And then this one. Okay, next are these. Oh, I thought this was a wrap around it. It's like 3 different pictures, so you can like rip them. Or I guess you can always use them as a bookmark. Speaking of bookmarks, I brought my mom a bookmark for her birthday. No, for Mother's Day. For $2.95, and I got a 6-pack. They sent me 6 instead of just the 1, and I don't know what to do. Cute. Kitty cats. Can you see all 3 pictures? There's like 3 in each one. I got the stamps. These are definitely stickers. You see by the shiny back. So cute. Good luck. Dreams come true. Sunrise. This one's sticking out of this one. Is it a sticker? Yeah, it's a sticker. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Heartbeat. Day by day. Miss you. Big smile. I think that's what this is. Yeah. Oh, they spelled smile wrong. I know what they mean. It's hard to learn 2 languages, so keep smile. That's right, keep your smile. Keep going. Be happy. You're loved. Set yourself free. Happy every day. Bright day. Be kind. Good night. Happiness. Tulips. Have a nice life. That almost sounds like it can be like taken the wrong way. Have a nice life. Or have a nice life. Good things. The moonlight. I feel like the moon should have been a little bit bigger in that picture, but flowers. See, this one should have said the moonlight. 90 or 6? It's probably 6. I think there's 1 for each day of the month. I'm not really sure. This is such a great set if you love the color purple or wanted to get into scrapbooking. Fly to the moon. I want to fly to the moon. Okay, next are these envelopes. I kind of did open this when I first got it to see like what everything was in it, and I had to laugh at this one because it says Middlesex County Printery, and when I used to live in New Jersey, I actually lived in Middlesex County, so I almost feel like this set was for me. Happiness, best wishes, joyful. You are the best. Don't I know it? Nice life. I still love you. Aww. And we got the papers here. Oh, these are for bright moon. Look at the moon, like a big silver spoon. That's so pretty, so poetic. Love the stars. Live for our beautiful life. 16 at 4:20 p.m. Sounds about right. We get it almost every night when the moon is big and bright. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. I love that song. Enjoy the song. Kyoto. I think they spelled that wrong. Here I stand in Bresinone with the stars up in the sky. Starry, starry night, look out on a summer's day. Paint your palette purple and gray, colors changing hue. So poetic. Je t'aime. I know that means I love you, so maybe these say that too? Does anyone know? That, and then we got these little stickers to say a bunch of phrases in Japanese. I think that's Japanese, yeah. And then we have them in English. I don't actually know if they're the same phrases. And I got some more stickers of the moon. Some squares. Some lines, like eggs, circles, and more squares. And we got these papers before sunrise. This one's pretty. That, right? I'm not sure. Pretty. Blueberry nights. For anyone that speaks two languages, is that what it says too? There? I don't know if that's Chinese or Japanese. Does that say blueberry nights as well? Oh, that's so pretty. I love the colors in that one. We got that, and then got these wider sheets. Pretty grayish purple. Dark purple. This doesn't look like construction paper. Like, it feels like it and looks like it on the front. And I guess they're just like scrapbook pieces of paper. This funky one. And dot one. And this purple gingham one. That's everything. I will leave the link to the description in the box. I think it's a really gorgeous set. I'm going to have fun with it. I really don't know what I want to use the book for because like some of these pages are way too big for this. And like I don't want to cut something like this down. It's so pretty. This you can like, you know, cut it and do different things. Or I guess you can write a note, maybe send it. Could you send it? Yeah, you can send it. I don't know. If you wanted to. Okay, I'm not even going to attempt to put this in here again. I did last time because I was like, oh, I want to do an unboxing. It's so pretty. But yeah, I love it. And that paper. Yeah. What do you think? Have you bought a set like this? Do you like it? Let me know, and I will see you in the next video. Good night.